Be confident. Be confident. Have goals. Success. Focus on the present. Power. Prosperity. Breakthrough Talk with Obuslala.
You are welcome back to another session of Breakthrough Talk with Obuslala. Today, I want to tell you the power of laziness. There's power behind everything. Laziness will not make you become anybody on earth. Laziness will not make you become somebody on earth. Laziness will not make you become somebody on earth. Listen to me. I said laziness will not make you become somebody on earth. Why? Because you can succeed if nobody believes in you. But you will never succeed if you do not believe in that which is inside of you. I say you will succeed if nobody believes in you. But you will never succeed. You will never make it on earth if you do not believe on the one inside of you. Because he said unto him who is able to do exceedingly, abundantly, above all we may ask or think, according to the power that worketh in us. So if you know that which is in you, and you did not mind anybody's business, because everybody's business belongs to them. If they take your business and add it to their own business, it's their business. So don't mind anybody's business. Focus on your own business. And when you focus on your own business, you will get to a place that you now look back, you now say, Father, I thank you because I focus on my business. A lot of people today, you see a lot of people, they are working and they don't mind anybody. At the end, you see their children come out to become best. You understand? Somebody will ask, how did you do it? They say, my father did everything for me. My brother, but the other guy. So no, that guy is running around the area looking for different things. You understand? Just a minute ago, somebody said he has not saw a woman in my house. He has been coming to my house. You understand? So and ever since I've been here, no woman truly. But some people, they have one bedroom, they polish them, then they begin to do what? They carry a woman. They do before they know. Age tell on them. Age tell on them. If age is telling on you and there's nothing to show, my guy, you are a lazy man. If age tell on you and there's nothing to show, my guy, I say you are a lazy man. You understand? So you begin to hide behind shame, say the government is not doing well. If the government do everything well, hey my guy, you are a lazy man. The government is not doing well. People are prospering. People are doing, people are building, people are doing things. On earth, you have to be a landlord. If you are more than 25 years old and you are not a landlord, ask yourself, what have you been doing? When did you finish university? What have you been doing? People before they came out of university, they are already making themselves big boys and big girls all over the world. You understand? So don't let anybody fool you. Everything you ever need now, this is an internet age. You understand? So also make yourself a big boy on earth. You understand? Don't let anybody fool you. That is number one thing you need. I'll give you number two in a minute.
Breakthrough Talk with Obuslala.
I said something just now in the session I just passed now, that if you are up to 25 years and you don't have anything, you understand, you are a lazy man. Someone just asked me now that, what do you mean? You understand? So you see everybody that came out of university will become, let me tell you something. In Lagos, I used to also in the traffic. You understand? So when I left school, I will come back and also, you understand? So I can buy a wash for $10 and sell that wash for $25,000. Presentation. Do you know I will do it in the traffic close to the airport? I hide the wash, I bring the wash out. The man will ask, what's going on? I'll say, my friend that come back from abroad. My friend that come back from abroad that brought it. He's hungry now, I want to go back. That's why I say we sell it. He bought it $80,000. You understand? So sir, we can give it to you. He said, why are you hiding? I said, this area boss will come and take it from us. So we are hiding it. You understand? The man, I will say, park where, we park. He will price. I will give him. Wash I bought at the same Lagos. The way you package everything is very important in life. I said the way you package everything is very important. Don't let anybody fool you. Everything is IQ. Everything is IQ. Go into your imagination. You take everything you need to know. Not your memory, because your memory will tell you the reason why you have to be poor. Your memory will tell you the reason why you fail. Your memory will tell you a lot of things. But go into your imagination. Everything you need is right there for you. But you have to read. Because right now, it's very important for you to read. There are a lot of things that need to motivate you. Like people said, you understand? You don't need to be motivated based on junk. You have to be motivated based on what you think you know. Every area of your life, there is something called passion. Understand? Don't follow passion, no. Because a lot of people teach that you follow your passion. If you follow your passion will take you to a place. Passion will give you everything, but it will leave you stranded. Passion will leave you stranded. You'll be passionate. You understand? Not because you like music. mean you are called to play music. Not because you are passionate over music, then you are on air to play music. Because a lot of people today now, they have played a lot of music. They follow their passion, and their passion take them to the level, give them money, give them anything, but the desire is not there again. So what happened? The passion is not there again. Desire to play music is not there again. What happened? And they are still on earth. So if you call their name now, nobody want to pay them any money to come and sing. Why? Because they follow their passion. So you have to be careful. The only thing you need to follow on earth is your purpose. The purpose why you were born. That's what you need to follow. That is all you need. The purpose why you are born. You understand? Like me, I was called to talk. That's my purpose. So I decided to go back to school and be ready. People said, you have money, you have it. What are you going to do in school? I said, I need to go back to school. I left school and I went back to school. When I became a graduate now, they say, guy, you are a motivation, you are inspiration. I say, okay, I hear you, but you are the one that said I cannot do it. You understand? So all you need in this life is knowledge. When you have knowledge, the power of life is inside your hand. Everything you think you have lost for 10 years, if you have knowledge, you have it in 2 days. Even if you believe in that which is inside of you. Because there is no one inside of you more than the one who is inside of you. Any other one outside of you, it's coincidence. That's what the world is looking after. What is outside of them? Next time I will come and teach you guys the next thing to do. A good attitude will make you have better knowledge. You understand? There's a lot of knowledge that you need to know that's inside around you. Everything that you have gone through. You will now see the knowledge behind them. You now become a blessing. Those things you call, why did I go through this? You look back and you see them as what? An angel. So let me leave you. I'll come back again and teach you something.
Breakthrough Talk with Obus Lala.
I don't know about you people, but me, I come here to open the eyes of Africa people. Let me tell you something. Behind every great success, there's a crime. I say behind every great success, there's a crime. Let nobody fool you. I say behind every great success, there's a crime. When the president of any nation stand in camera and begin to lie to the people. Do you know what they call it? When presidents lie to the people of any nation, what they call them? They call it politics. They call it what? Politics. When you lie to them, it's a crime. When they lie to you, it's called what? Politics. So you have to know behind it. When the pastor prophesy, say the Lord say, and the Lord did not say, what is that? It's not a crime. When you lie to the pastor, you say you just lie to the Holy Ghost. When they lie to you, they say it's prophecy. When you lie to them, it's what called? It's called crime. What about those who write book? When they lie inside their books, all the books you have read, when they lie, do you know the way they call it? Don't go and tell anybody I told you. Don't go and tell anybody I told you. You know what they call it? They call it editing. Don't go and tell anybody I told you. You understand? When those who write book, when they lie inside their book, at the end, they will say, help me thank my editor. This, that. It's right there. So all you need in this world to be successful, ask yourself, what kind of crime do you want to commit on it? If you want to get to the next level, ask yourself now. I say behind every great success is a crime. Those powerful musicians who say they are this and they are that and they have not got into that place, what? It's not a crime. It's not a crime. You understand? So anything that don't carry license to them is a crime. If you carry license, it's not a crime. How people can lie and they say it's not a crime? Don't let nobody fool you. Crime has a different way, you understand? So I don't even like sugarcoating it, you understand? Because if you sugarcoat it too much, it's going to look as if like this guy doesn't know what he's saying. But I just give you a definition of how people commit crime. So nobody is free. Nobody know the truth. Just look for those. If you are seeking the truth, when you see people who are seeking the truth, believe them. But if you see the one that has find the truth, my guy, suspect that person. Anybody. Is it not? Allah was giving us definition in the Quran that if you see, you cannot stand for the truth. You cannot stand for the truth. Because if you see somebody on top of the wife of your friend and you want to go and tell your friend, Allah say what? Go and look for somebody else so that you will bear witness. When you see somebody, that person should go and look for somebody else. That person should go and look for 4 people. Before you go and look for the 4 people and come back, that guy don't do anything they do, don't go. So it's only you that see the truth. The other people will go back. Then you should go and tell. If you don't have a weakness, what are you going to say? So nobody knows the truth. You understand? So you cannot stand if you see the truth. So if you see anybody that says he see the truth, guy, suspect that person. Be careful of that person because nobody knows the truth. You understand? So everything you need to know in life is one thing. That what kind of crime do you want to commit? You want to commit a legit crime or you want to commit a fake crime? Crime has different grade though. So it's left for you. One thing I want to tell you, behind every great success is a crime. Anytime they quote me, behind every great success, I say there is a crime. So don't be angry. Don't be scared of what you are going through. Ask yourself, is it the crime of laziness you want to go through? I will define it at the next session. Join me. The power of attitude. God bless you.